What's up YouTube? This is Chris P. Breaks, and in this tutorial I'm going to cover the excellent air enhancer and how it can enhance a breakbeat sample. This is the first in a series of videos covering some of the amazing insert effects that come included with the MPC range of samplers. That's to say the MPC1, the MPC Live, the MPC Live Mark II, the MPC X, and of course the Akai Force, which can also accommodate the same insert effects. Before I get into this video, I'd just like to thank all my current subscribers, anyone that's liked and shared my videos, anyone that follows and supports me on social medias, and of course, all my current patrons on Patreon. If you'd like to support my friend Tubedigga on Patreon, please head over to patreon.com/Tubedigga, which is my friend. Let's now get it. Hang on 1 second. If you'd like private tuition with my friend Tubedigga, please contact him at tubedigga@gmail.com for more details. These one-on-one online sessions are excellent. They'll teach you everything apart from how to put your socks on and how to smear custard over a goose. Please contact him at tubedigga@gmail.com and you can have a lesson over Skype, Zoom, or Google Hangouts. Let's first of all head over to the program editor. As you can see, I've got a breakbeat sample loaded to my first pad in this drum program. The first thing we're going to do is take a listen. Dope. First of all, let's increase the semitones to plus 34. Let's now flatten this sample, which now sounds like this. Ridiculous. Let's flatten it to pad. As you can see, the selected sample is pad A01. Over here we've got the audio tail set to 0 seconds because we don't need to add any additional time to the sample's duration length. We can also rename the sample. Let's rename it to Crispy Break. Crispy Breaks. Now the sample sounds like this. Ridiculous. Let's now reduce this to minus 34. This will make the sample sound considerably lo-fi. Let's now flatten this sample again, and it's now been named to Crispy Breaks 1, which I'm fine with. Do it. As you can see, the waveform has not been As you can see, the sample has not been properly... As you can see, the waveform has not been drawn correctly. If this occurs in your life, press another pad and return to the desired sample pad. And now the waveform is correctly redrawn. Let's now go to the effects page, press on our first insert effect slot. Make sure we're looking at the EQ filter category, and to do that you can select type. If you don't, it's just a mishmash. Let's press type again, type, and open the EQ filter category. Let's choose the air enhancer. Let's press select. Let's now press the pencil icon to edit the air enhancer. The only parameter that we need to worry about in the air enhancer is the harmonics gain control. Make sure to play back your sample while adjusting the parameter so you can find your sweet spot. I've got a sweet spot. Now the sample sounds like it's been spat out the back of an EMU SP1200. This is just one example of how to use the air enhancer, which is an excellent effect to bring out the high-frequency harmonics of a lo-fi sample and make them sound like they've been spat out the back of an EMU SP1200. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please stay tuned to this channel if you would like to see more video tutorials covering some of the best aspects of the excellent insert effects that come included in the MPC1, MPC Live, MPC Live Mark II, MPC X, and of course, the Akai Force.